What's up, everybody? Your boy, Mr. Dynamics of X, the one and only Mr. Too Good, back again with another one. Before we start this one, guys, please show love by subscribing, share the video, like the video, guys. And thank you so much for choosing this channel. So today we're checking USDJPY. So let's go straight into it. We can clearly see the overall this market is an uptrend, right? As we're gonna just identify it here. And then it's inside this channel. Just gonna put it here. So, all right. Put it in the right in this point. Makes sense. So as you can see, the market is the first touch here, the second touch, and the third touch. And after the third touch, we know the market needs to fall. As currently, you can see the market is falling down. So this thing tells us that no USDJPY is going down with a downtrend. So let's go a little deeper and see more in detail. So we can see this channel inside this channel here. So to zoom. So we have this channel here identified. Also, put it here. It clearly makes sense. We have the first touch, second touch, the third touch. Went down, then it came back to make the third touch of the first channel. But then it gave us a signal that no, I'm going down because of this. It was losing momentum here. Right, you can clearly see it was losing momentum, and then it went down. So because this the market, we're gonna identify the zone, which is the 90% rule of this correction, right? The market always, when you see something like this and the market breaks this channel, the market must come here and complete the 90% rule, meaning we are still going to go down with USDJPY. So you can clearly see the market broke impulsive and came back to retest this zone here. Do you understand? It retested the trend line, meaning we are continuing down like this with the movement. You understand? So let's go to daily time frame and see what's happening in the daily time frame. Okay, beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So currently the market is going down, right? So we're just gonna check strong areas. So we're gonna identify this zone here. This area here. This is our strong, this is our first strong area, which is this one, right? Also gonna identify this one. Then I'm gonna explain why I'm saying the strong areas. The high volume areas, because when this pullback created this movement to the upside, and you can see it went up for the longest time, and this pullback created this long move to the upside. It went up for the longest time, meaning here, what do we expect? To expect the market to continue to push up. When it gets here, we might get a little push to the upside, right? Then come back. We expect the same thing here. The market must react with the movement to the upside. Do you understand? So since we got these areas, so now we know our next target. We are going, this is going to be our first TP, second TP, as we continue to go down to this point also. Here, let's identify. Why? Because this pullback created this movement to the upside. So and listen to me. This is our high volume area. So whenever the market comes to this point, there must be a rejection. Do you understand? Every time when the market comes here, we must have a rejection of a buy. Comes here, we must have a rejection of a buy. Comes here, must be a rejection of a buy. Comes here. So I'm telling you, you know, if you are a scalper or a day trader, if the market comes in, the market might go up one day You understand? Bullish, you can just buy the market. So also, when the market decide to break this zone, you know the market's gonna retest, you continue to sell it. The market's gonna retest, you continue to sell it. The market come back to retest, you continue to. That's how simple it is, but guys. Don't complicate trading, guys. With this, you know, a lot of things. No, find a strong area. The market approaches a strong area. You know, it must be reactive. So it depends whether on an uptrend or on a downtrend. If it's a downtrend like this one, when the market approaches that area, it must buy. When it's an uptrend approaches that, it must sell. So that's what it is. So let's try to get an entry from this zone, because now we know the market broke this area, came back to retest this level. So we're continuing. So it's something like this, broke, came back to this level. Now we're going down with the movement. So we're taking only sales. So it's a matter of getting what? An entry at this point. All right. So let's go to H4 and see what's happening on H4. All right. Okay, so we're gonna identify this zone also. Not gonna just not identify this zone. So also, yes, let's identify this one also, guys. It's very, very important to identify these zones. So as you can see, the market is currently here. We had this huge impulse, and then this correction, then this huge impulse, meaning the market has to, as you can see, the market is currently rejecting here, and then the market was approaching this area with a reversal with less momentum, as you can see here, like this. You understand? So we might be taking a buy from Monday just to maybe up here again to this area before we push this down. You understand? Maybe until we push down, but it seems like we're gonna be getting a buy here, but we need to be very, very careful with it, or we might be coming back with the buy to this point where actually this thing started. Remember, this is 4 hour, and then we're just gonna take it from here to here. Do you understand? But because it's a downtrend market, guys, sometimes when it's a downtrend market and this kind of structures they form, sometimes they are not 100%. Do you understand? So you must be very, very careful when you find an entry here. So what I'm advise you on this one is that wait for a bullish candlestick to form to confirm, because now every candlestick here is what is bearish. So at least wait for a bullish candlestick to form to confirm that no, we are buying, and then we can buy it from here to here, and then we can see. But the market has to go down because it's a downtrend and it's a very, very strong movement to the downside. So if the market decide, guys, to push up, you're gonna take a TP here, right? And then we're gonna analyze how the market's gonna go down and continue the movement. But if the market also decide, you know what, I'm just gonna push down like this, don't panic. When it pushes down like this, just wait for a pullback. It must come back to retest this level, and then we continue with the movement going down. You understand? And there's gonna be your first TP, second TP, you know, as we continue. Just you wanna watch if the market decide to do that, guys. Very, very simple. Pushes down, it's gonna come back in retest, gonna push down, come back in retest, get another entry, come back in retest, get another entry, come back in retest, get another entry. We just continue like that, guys, right? Simple as it is. So for now, on this one, just wait. If it's a buy, just wait for a bullish candlestick, and then it's gonna push up from here to here. But for me, just wait for because it's the downtrend. I think it's gonna break and then come back here, and then that's where I'm gonna take a trade. This is where I'm gonna take my TP. I understand, because I see this huge impulse inside the structure, and I saw on daily time frame that no, the market is coming very impulsive to the downside. But if the market doesn't give me any bullish candlestick here, I'm not buying. I'm gonna continue waiting for a entry of a sell. So this is what I see on USDJPY. Yeah, on USDJPY. Thank you for choosing my channel. I hope you have learned. We also offer a mentorship program. If you're interested with this strategy, just text me on WhatsApp and then let's just kill it, guys. Your boy Mr. Dynamics FX. Thank you for watching. God bless you.